Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you the best always on display themes on this device. So let's go to settings, and you want to go to section home screen, lock screen and style. Now let's select always on display. You want to of course enable it. And now the first theme that I wanted to tell you is Bitmoji theme that displays your Snapchat avatar, which will change its pose and expression based on the time of your day, your weather, etc. Okay, the next theme is custom patterns. So you can draw your own pattern, whatever you want it to be. So let's change the color. You can change the paintbrush and also the shape. So let's create my own pattern like this, and then tap done in the top right. And as you can see, this is the animation that I created. Okay, so you have to press the apply button to apply it to your lock screen. The next is text, where you can write your own custom text. Additionally, you can change the color of it, you can adjust text size, you can select the text weight, alignment, spacing, character spacing and also line spacing. It's very customizable, and you have to press apply when you're ready. And the last one is Canvas. I feel like this is the best always on display theme, because it creates personalized, unique silhouette depending on the photo that you provide. So let's choose my photo from the album. Of course, you have to use portrait photos, but I will stick to this one. You have to press generate. So you can upload your face, you can upload your portrait, and wait until your phone will create unique lock screen for you. Additionally, let's change the colors, the style. Let's tap next, and here I can adjust its size. And finally tap done to save it as your lock screen to your always on display screen. So that were the best always on display mode themes on your OnePlus 15, and I really hope that this video helps you. And if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.